Mr. Keith, why are you in more than one club?
Oh, that's an excellent question.
Why am I in more than one club? Well, Toastmasters is a process and the process of growth. And the more clubs you're in, the more growth you can see, the more growth you can take in. I've been in Toastmasters long enough that the increments that I get from Toastmasters are smaller percentage-wise, but I still learn, I still grow. But even more important is that I connect with others and I see others grow and I help others grow and I hope that I inspire others. I'm in multiple clubs because I like being involved with the community that you get with Toastmasters. Toastmasters attracts a certain type of person that's a little unusual, a little outside the normal realm. This is a person as an adult who has decided they are willing to accept other people's feedback and consider change and self-growth, but self-growth in a group where other people are giving them advice. That's not easy as an adult. That's really difficult. And to be able to go into a situation and being willing to work on growing on things that are often very scary, things about speaking in a group, leading in a group, being able to do more for an organization, all of those things sound intense as a whole. But Toastmasters allows you to take it on a little bit at a time. And by being able to help others take on those little steps and see the steps more clearly, I get an emotional reward that I never knew I would get by being involved in helping others.